cooking styles are so important to get the flavor right on. And that holds true even for my pork spare ribs in a hot tomato sauce. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I get to creating it. Into my cast iron goes in nearly a liter of boiling hot water. And the reason why I'm using boiling hot water is because I want to shorten the overall process. Into the pot of water goes in 2 to 3 dehydrated bay leaves just to flavor it, along with about a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. And now into this goes a kg of pork spare ribs that I've just chopped into half. I'm just going to let it nestle in. And the reason for this is so that the meat cooks really well without the overtly acidic element that a tomato sauce brings. Old school magic, really done right. As we allow this to simmer for nearly 30 minutes, it has to come down to about 1/4 of its water element. It's now time to season this with some rosemary, lavender sea salt. And now comes the fun part of adding all the flavorings bang in. So in goes the spice element, that is some habanero spice. Just some liquid to spice things up, about 30 mils of that, along with nearly 600 mils of my tomato sauce. Now if you want the recipe of the same, go into the basics and check it out. That playlist holds all my near and dear secrets. Just allow it all to mix together and simmer for another 40 minutes. Now if you do not have the habanero spice blend, don't be alarmed, just go right ahead and use some red chili flakes, or take a dehydrated red chili, roughly chop it up and throw it in. It's about getting that heat and not bothering about how you go right ahead and get it. 40 minutes later, or rather, I have left it for another 10 minutes. Look at that gorgeous color. This looks so close to a Portuguese vindaloo, yet not the same. All you need to do is switch off the flame and garnish this with some basil shreds. So just about a handful of basil, finely shredded, goes in. And ready to dive right into with some toast. I hope you enjoyed creating my version of a very old school, Italian style to some extent, pork spare ribs in a hot tomato sauce. The old school culture brings flavors riled in, but at the same time keeping it true to its original essence. Pair this either with some pilaf or go right ahead, make it slightly modern with a toast and enjoy a decadent meal. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.